sunshine, we're doing soybeans. We're opening up the field right by Grandma's house. We just switched over to soybeans. Wish you were here riding with me, but being as you're not, I'm going to have to stop and get Annie. Maybe the next video will have Annie in the cab with me. But it's a nice sunshiny day here in Iowa. About 45 degrees, maybe 50. Sunshine, nice breeze. The beans are running about 11%, somewhere in the 50 bushel range whenever I get things open. So I'll send you this video for today and hope you're having a good day too. Talk to you later. Love ya, Grandpa.